Hey guys, Billy back here. I want to show you my pickup I bought from my local gun shop. Springfield xd9 service model. As you can see, I put some orange in the etching there on the slide, and I've polished the barrel and the guide rod. I've got about, I don't know, 50 or 60 rounds to it, and it started to come off right here on the top. So I got out the polishing compound and took care of that. Very good gun. Haven't got to shoot it a lot because ammo is really scarce around here where I live. Of course, you know, accessory rail. There's dozens of reviews. I was just showing you. I got it for about $4.99. Come to like $5.19 with tax. Again, I didn't get the gear pack because I didn't feel the need to have it, and I'll show you why later. Come with two 16-round magazines. Of course, the lock that nobody ever uses. And up here you got a brush and all the little books. Other than that, it's a good gun, shoots good. Kind of dusty, been sitting around for a while. Anyway, I thought I'd show you the new toy here. Thank you.